Welcome to the new project introduction. Here we have a 1966 C10 sitting on a beautiful GSI chassis. This chassis was built by GSI and then sent over to Arizona High Test to get all of the plumbing and assembly finished and powder coat and exhaust, and those guys did an awesome job with this, being able to accommodate and fully lay out these 22s. You can see this thing's right on the ground. So you got some nice big 22s on there, full AccuAir air management, custom fuel tank, custom exhaust, 4 9-inch. A lot of good features on here. Nice little panel. Got a air hookup, battery disconnect, and then battery quick charge. So again, awesome job by these guys putting this thing together. And now came over here for us to do some bed work on. We got a bunch of bed panels, body parts in the back, and we're going to be doing a raised tilt bed floor. Installed the column. We're going to be doing some work on the front end as well. We're going to be doing custom wheel tubs, custom one-piece firewall. You can see we already got started mapping some parts out. Got the steering in there. Working on the brake system right now. We're going to be doing our manual brake conversion kit, but we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a little bit more flashy. We got these billet individual reservoirs, so that'll fit up in there nice and neat. CVF front drive kit, really awesome, well put together. If you guys haven't figured out already, that is actually an LS. It's just going to be going with the old school look and vibe. So it's got 409 valve cover adapters, and then old school intake, and then the valley fill, and just kind of keep it retro but with a modern twist. This thing's going to be fully painted, Spark billet steering wheel. That thing's awesome. Then it's going to get full custom interior done. All right, let's get to work. All right, we got the inner fenders all finished up. It was a lot of fun. Did a little something different. Got that little twist in there. Got some dimple dies. A lot of cool, fun stuff on this. I think it really ties the engine bay together. Let's get these suckers installed. All right, we got the inner fenders all finished up, as well as the firewall. Really showcases the engine bay, showcases the suspension. I'm pretty pleased with them. One little trick I want to add, I actually cut the fenders back about an inch this way, and it gave it a lot more, you know, gave it a lot more wheel clearance. So I'm not saying you're going to be able to turn a whole lot, but this way it gives you a little bit additional clearance. I think the dipples came out pretty cool. You get to see the tire tucked up in there. We have one more piece to do. We're going to be doing a filler panel up in this area here. We're going to do something special with the factory hood latch, and we're going to make a, you know, just a little front cover panel to tie it all together. But that's pretty much it for now, so on to the next. So one more thing, you can see the rest of the manual brake conversion kit. We have the Wilwood pedal with our billet pedal pads and matching gas pedal. All right, guys, that about wraps up the engine bay fabrication on this super awesome 66 C10. Now we're gonna be moving on to the back, so stay tuned.